Hi, I'm Colin with Mainline Marketing, your Shure reps here in Florida. Today, I'm extraordinarily excited to share with you the newest addition to the iconic SM7 family, the SM7dB. This microphone is announced 50 years after the original SM7 was first published, and it is going to be truly game-changing once again. To start, I will do a quick opening of the box and show you all the contents inside, and then we'll move on to an audio demonstration so you could quickly hear how this microphone sounds. First thing, you will notice that the box is pretty similar to the past model in the SM7 family, with the outside casing that has the logo and the name and a little bit of information, and it nicely slides off to reveal the inside casing. You'll take a knife carefully and slice open right up here. Close that up, and we'll open it up and let's see what's inside. So right off the bat here on the right side, looks like we got a little cover on top with the Shure logo and the microphone. And under there we have some papers, starting off with traditional Shure logo. Very nice. We got a microphone manual. And we got, it looks like a little pamphlet with microphone techniques, placement techniques for this particular microphone. That's pretty cool. Now, let's jump over to the left side of the box here. And first thing you find over here is a nice thick windscreen for those who prefer the bigger of the two windscreens. And you'll also find a 3/8 inch microphone stand adapter, just in case you need that. And now moving on to the center part, if I open this, in here you find the traditional Shure logoed microphone cable wrap. And now the main part I'm sure we've all been waiting for is the actual SM7dB in all its glory. Now at first glance, it looks pretty much similar to the SM7B. Not much different. At the top here, you'll notice just a little change in the name. It has the DB written in green letters. And all around, it's got the same past windscreen on here, XLR connector. The difference comes when we take a look at the back here. We have the EQ settings. There are also two new additional switches here. On the left side, we have a bypass switch. Now, if you hit the bypass switch, this will allow you to use this microphone in the same way with the same settings as if you're using the past SM7B microphone. And on the right side here, you have the preamp switch, which is the new guts to this microphone. You got a plus 18 or a plus 28 decibel option with the built-in preamp, which is extraordinarily amazing to have on this new model of the SM7. Now, that's pretty much it on the unboxing. Why don't we jump over and do a quick audio test so you guys could see and hear how amazing this microphone is. The SM7dB is extraordinarily sounding just like the SM7B, with the addition of a Shure-designed built-in active preamp. This simplifies the audio workflow by eliminating the need for inline amplification. The built-in preamp is phantom powered and provides supplementary 18 or 28 decibels of clean gain. We also have, as seen in the previous part of my video, a few new switches on the back, which is the 18 or 28 decibel switches, also with the switchable EQ switches, and also a new bypass switch that allows you to use this new microphone as if it was the older SM7B. This new addition to the SM7 family is 50 years in the making, joining a family of truly iconic microphones that will help producers, streamers, and musicians all around the world make sure their content sounds impeccable. Thank you all for joining me today on this truly iconic new release. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.